Apartments or houses. Here are 5 reasons why you might want to consider investing in an apartment. The first reason is cost. Apartments are known to be relatively less expensive compared to houses because what you're exactly paying for is just a residential part in a building. You're not buying the entire building. So they are, of course, less expensive compared to houses. The second reason is amenities. Apartments usually come with certain basic amenities you have to worry about if you were buying a house. But since it's an apartment, most of these amenities will be provided already, so you don't even have to bother about them. The third reason is maintenance. When it comes to maintenance, it's much more easy to maintain an apartment compared to a full house. I mean, ask all those parents whose children have gone to university, they'll be able to tell you about this better. The fourth reason is security. Apartments are known to be much more secure. In fact, some of them even have CCTV cameras installed. So security is one thing that, is always much better in apartments. Just in case you're wondering, the type of apartments I'm referring to in this video are not the regular apartments you will find on the streets of Lagos, but standard serviced apartments. And one of such apartments is the Avocado Smart and Luxury Apartments, which consists of blocks of apartments including 1, 2 and 3 bedroom fully finished apartments. And guess what? With as low as 3 million naira initial deposit, you could own a unit of this apartment and spread payments for as long as 24 months. And now the fifth and last reason is social life. Social life in an apartment is of course much better because you have flatmates to relate with, you have people to talk to. It's a compound with a lot of people in it, so it's much more nice. Some apartments would have gyms, some would have clubs, some would have different hangout spots in the compound. These are 5 reasons why you might want to consider investing in an apartment instead of a house. If you'd like to find out more about this property, you can get in touch with us by sending us a private message or calling or sending a WhatsApp message to the displayed number.